Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam from Artsu Technical Campus MBA Department. So, subject name is Service Marketing and chapter 2 Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Services. So, today I will discuss your point Marketing Communication Planning. What is meant by marketing communication planning and including point that is there are 5 essential W's which will help the service provided to gather a lot of information regarding the consumer. Okay, a useful checklist for marketing communication planning is provided by the 5 W's model. So, one by one, first, who is our target audience? Then, what do we need to communicate and achieve? Then, why should we communicate this? Then, where should we communicate this? And when do the communication need to take place? That is 5 W's model. Okay, the first part of review is defined. WHO is target audience, means who, target audience. Defining the target audience, that is the three board target audience for any services communication strategy are. So, first one, prospects. Marketer of consumer service do not usually know prospect in advance. Therefore, they typically use of traditional communication mix like media, advertisement, public relation, and use of purchase list for email, company, direct mail, or telemarketing. Okay. So next one, employees. That is, employees serve as a secondary audience for communication companies through public media. As well, design companies target at user or both can also motivating for employees. Essentially, those in formulation role in particular, it may help to shape employee behavior in the advertising content. Show them what do you promise customer. However, is the risk of the diminution employees is the communication promotes level performance that the feel or even impossible to achieve. Next one, user. In contract to prospect, more cost effective channel can be used to reach existing users. These include cross or upselling efforts by employees, point of sales promotion, and other information distributed during service encounters. If the firm has membership relationship with the consumer and has to membership database contain the public relation in a distribute highly target information through email, text message, direct mail, or telephone. Next one, next point is specifying communication objective. That is, once the target audience is defined, we have defined what has to achieve with this audience. Communication objective answer the question of what we need communicate to achieve. Marketer need to be clear about their goals, otherwise it will be difficult to formulate specific communication objective and select the most appropriate message and communication tools to achieve them. Common educational and promotional objective for service organization including, so first one, create memorable image of companies and their brands. Okay, then build awareness and interest in a unfamiliar service or brand. Next, compare a service favorable with competitors offering. So, next, build preference by communicating the strength and benefit out of the specific brand. Then, reposition a service relative to competitive offering. Next, provide such as the promoting service guarantees. Encourage trial by offering promotional incentive. Familiars customer with service process in advance to the use. Teach customer how to use of service to their best advantages. Simulated demand to low demand periods and shifts demand of the during peak period. And last one, recognize and reward value customer. That is specifying communication objective. So next point, elements of service promotion means service promotion mix. Once the target audience and the objective are in a place, the next step will be select a mix of cost effective communication channel. Okay, most service marketer has access to number of for the communication refer to collectively as the marketing communication mix. Different communication elements have the distance capability relative to the types of message they can be conveyed and the market segment most likely to be the exposure to them. The promotion mix including personal communication, advertising, sales communication, publicity and public relation, instructional material and corporate design. Okay, so first one, personal communication. What is meant by personal communication? Including the point sales, customer service, training, telemarketing, word of mouth, word of mouth. And next, advertising including point broadcast, print, internet, outdoor and direct mail. So next, sales promotion including part of sampling, coupon, sign up, rebates, gift and price promotion. So next one, publicity and public relation that is including point press release, press conference, social events, sponsorship, trade show, media and coverage. Okay, so next, instructional material that is including point website, manuals, brochures, video, audio, software, CD-ROM and voice mail. So next one, corporate design that is sign, interior decorator, vehicle, stationery and uniform. That is promotion mix point. As shown in the figure, two main channels can be categorized as those controlled by the organization and those that are not. Not all communication message oriented for the service provided. Rather, some message organized for the outside an organization. Message from the internal source can be the future divided into those means transmitted through marketing channel including traditional media and the internet. Okay, so next, transmitted through the service from one service delivery channel. Okay, thank you so much.